Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday morning, the day after Christmas. My dinner, excellent as it was a little later than normal because I just wanted a late dinner. It was really good. It was really, really good. It was a roast beef, which I will put all the recipes up, for the new dishes that I did. I actually had three new recipes. So the roast was really good. I kind of adjusted the seasoning for the one on top, and then I did my roasted baby red potatoes, which is it's real super simple. It's cut up baby red potatoes, olive oil, good olive oil, like extra virgin, some minced garlic and salt, pepper. Yeah, you can put onion in it, which I actually forgot. Oops. And then I did a roasted sweet potato and with garlic and Parmesan. They're discs. Those are really good. I'm a sucker for a good sweet potato. These are really good. These are And then I did a twist on a cream corn, which is a garlic and herb cream corn. This is going to be my go-to. This was really good. I'm glad I have leftovers of this. I have leftovers of everything. Not as much as you would think, because I actually scaled back. I tried, using my eyes, not my stomach, with this meal, because it is just me. Tonight, I am doing an old standby tomato Basil Bisque with good old grilled cheese. Let's get to it. Got some hardware going. Fry pan for the grilled cheese, Dutch oven for the bisque. Yes, I cleaned my stovetop. I did that yesterday. I had nothing else to do on Christmas. The bisque, it's real simple. Got some red onion. I'm using Cento tomato cut. This is a 28-ounce can. Chef cut tomatoes. I like the Cento brand personally. I just do. We got some chicken stock, some heavy cream, some honey. We'll be doing a roux with some unsalted butter and flour. I'm using dried herbs for this. Basil, of course. Got to have basil in a basil bisque. Oregano, ground thyme. I grind my thyme now, or I buy it. I purchase my ground thyme because I use it a lot in my seasoning blends. So, for a soup, I like to use ground. Some parsley and some honey. Of course, some kosher salt and black pepper. That's the bisque. Got the boat motor out. We're going to smooth it out a little bit. And the grilled cheese is real simple. Good old American cheese, butter. I'm using a brioche style bread. I have fallen in love with brioche. Yeah, so real simple meal. I'll have definitely leftovers of the soup, which is okay. It's soup weather. So this is not super simple, but this is a simple meal. This is a comforting meal. I hope you all had a good Christmas Eve and a good Christmas Day. I hope you had plenty of good food. Yeah. So, on this Thursday after, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.